I've been a member of Staying Alive Fitness for 7 years. I started with a personal trainer about 4 years ago, and I joined the Elite 2 years ago. I had not trained with a personal trainer before until I joined Staying Alive. When I first joined Staying Alive, I had a personal trainer once a month as part of that package, and he would set me up with a program of exercises, and then the following month he would review where I was. But when I have a personal trainer at each session, I find that I'm much more motivated to stretch myself to my limits rather than just going through the same 8 exercises. Since I started the personal training experience, I have lost almost 30 pounds. Proper diet and exercise at Staying Alive, the Staying Alive Fitness program has certainly improved the quality of my life. I'm able to get up out of chairs easily. I'm able to stoop to clean up after the dog.
All right.
I can wash the cars without getting winded. I'm really in much better shape than I was before I started the program. I'm 73. I will be 73 on my next birthday, which is this month. I would recommend Staying Alive Fitness Center to my friends and family. Most of my family is up north, and their exercise consists of getting in and out of golf carts. I'm the oldest of my siblings, and I am in better shape than any of them, including the one who is 16 years younger than I am.